Previously, we have seen how to set up a Google Colab to write a Python script. So now we are ready to write a Python code in Google Colab. But before writing a code in Google Colab, there is one thing that we need to address first, where we will place our data that we can access in Google Colab. Google Colab facilitates you to access the Google Drive from where you can read and write the data. So you can place your data in the Google Drive and that data can be used in Google Colab. Now let's see how to connect Google Colab with Google Drive to read and write the data in Google Colab. So here is the Python code to connect Google Colab with Google Drive. We need to write this piece of code from google.colab import drive, and then we will mount the path of the drive into the Google Colab. So after running this code snippet, you have the access to the Google Drive and you can read the data from Google Drive to Google Colab and you can write the data from Google Colab to Google Drive. Now we will write the code in Google Colab notebook to connect Google Colab with the Google Drive. So here we write the description, double click and just write connect Google Colab with Google Drive and then OK. Now we will use this code section and write the code to access the Google Drive. Let me just zoom in. I think it is OK now. Now hit the run to mount the Google Drive into the Google Colab. Run. Now Google Colab will ask you to grant the access to the Google Drive. So you need to permit the access using your Gmail. So permit this notebook to access your Gmail Drive files. This notebook is requesting access to your Google Drive files. Granting access to Google Drive will permit code executed in the notebook to modify files in your Google Drive. Make sure to review notebook code prior to allowing this access. So here you can see at the bottom, connect to Google Drive. Now this will ask you to sign in with your Gmail to grant access to the Google Drive. So select your Gmail account, it's loading, and then you need to allow. Here you can see the button at the bottom and hit the allow button. So let's see what is happening. So congratulations, your Google Drive is mounted in the Google Colab. Now you can access the Google Drive to read the data into the Google Colab, and you can also save the data into the Google Drive from Google Colab.